Hey guys, hope you guys are doing great. Hello TikTok, hope you guys are doing great. My name is Eric Sue. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I wanted to get right into today. A little late, but that's okay. I am talking about this guy right back behind me. I'm talking about these guys right here, these strawberries. So let me turn this around. All right, so these guys right here, these strawberries right here, and am I gonna get any strawberries this year? I don't know. So this was a pack of strawberries I got at Walmart, I believe. Basically, they come in the bundle. Last week episode talked about how I planted them. Anyhow, they're in my system here, and I'll give you guys a close up. First, a TikTok world. Give you guys a TikTok world update. Okay, this is strawberry plant. Down in here, strawberry plant. And they come in a pack. And what happens is that this pack of strawberries, they're in soil. So what I have to do to make it plantable in this tower is to put these bulbs, if you will, these strawberry bulbs, take them apart and put them into the rock wool. And if I can take this one out, for example, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is a bulb. Okay, and these are the roots. Okay, and what's going to happen is that over time, those bulbs shall hopefully produce some strawberries. Okay, that is the plan. Now, will it look like this in about, what do they say here? Let's see here. It doesn't say the time, but somewhere between April and May is the best time for my region to plant these. I'm going to plant them indoor a little bit here to get them going. But these strawberries hopefully will grow, I think it says 9 weeks or something like that. So expect another month or two. Hopefully it goes well. I do have some other plants on here. Got some lettuce, I think, bok choy down in here. Some, it's not going to be 100% sometimes, some of these plants, but for sure, this thing is a system that definitely works. That is what I know, and that's what I'm using to save money at the grocery store. So what's happening is people are noticing that grocery prices are going up, and that's not cool. And so this is a system that allows people to grow their fruits and vegetables at home. Um, First of all, safely, organically, and what's going to happen is you guys going to save money in the long run, right? Saving money in the long run is always good, in my opinion. Now, before I forget and dive into whether or not how this works here, I want to just talk about real quickly here this little chart I have. So some of you may know that if you wanted to earn some income, you could do that by signing up as a free affiliate. After you get your first unit, okay, and start your own, you can apply to become an affiliate, which basically means you can promote this product and make some income. So this is my little talk about how if you were to sign up, what you could earn. It's signups are free, and how much you can earn. There's basically 4 products here and 4 tiers. The first tier is a bronze, 18% income, 18% commissions. Silver are 22% commissions. Gold is 25% commission, and the platinum is 30% commissions. What you need to do to earn a bronze position is just sign up, so everyone starts here, and you will get 18% selling 1 to 5. But if you sell 6 to 10, you can get to the silver, and 11 to 15, you get to the gold. And then if you wanted to promote, or if you wanted to get the 30% platinum tier, you can sell 16 or more. Now, how can this happen? Well, there are big units called community units that you could sell, and that is 12 units. Let's imagine if you live in a city and you wanted to be adventurous, entrepreneurial, and tell the city, hey, if you guys start a new city gardening program, this would be the perfect way to get started, jumpstart your city community garden by putting together a 12-unit tower, right? And so right there, you've already got 12, so you're in the gold, and you sell a few more to your friends, and you're up to 16. This is a 1-year duration to promote or to sell these numbers of units. But once you do that, you just have to do 16 the next year to maintain that. But anyhow, the whole idea here is that you can make up to, let's see, $201 on with the flex unit. This is the flex unit that you have behind me. And the home unit is a smaller unit. If you go to my link tree in my profile, you'll be able to see what, and then click on Aeroponic Gardening. You will see the page with all the information about these types of units, and you can promote the home unit. You can make $217 with that. You can promote the family plan or the family unit, which is 3, and so that you can make up to $648 if you are in the platinum. Most people, like I said, will start off at the 18%, and if you just sell one family, that's $388. But hey, that's great. You can help someone save some money on their plants and gardening. Definitely, for sure. I know this system works, and I'll talk about how it works in a second, but appreciate you guys staying in there so far and listening to how you can make some extra income using or promoting as a brand affiliate the Tower Garden system. Okay, so this is that. If you want some more information about how much you can make and how you can get started, just text me, let me know in the comments, and I will give you more information. Anytime you guys get a unit like this, it's exciting, and I get it. Look how beautiful this is. Just wash it out, clean it up a little bit, put some new plants in here, as you can see, and you're off and running. It is still March, and before, let's see here, in 6 weeks, March, April, sometime in April, I'm going to be eating off of this, and hopefully by that time you'll also see some strawberries starting to bud out. But anyhow, the way this thing works is that it has a pump at the bottom, and this pump pumps water from the base, which is 20 gallons, and pumps it to the top here at the tower, at the top of the tower, and then sprinkles down into these pods, and these pods have little plants. How many plants can you grow? They're up to like 300 plants you can grow in this system. You got herbs, you got, let's see, flowering, salads, you've got kale, you got fruits, you got strawberries like I'm growing. You also got, tomatoes, you can grow tomatoes. By the way, you don't need to have an indoor system. We like to have the indoor system because we can control it better. Outdoor elements are nice and great because it's a free sun, and you just have to worry about maybe some squirrels or some rabbits and stuff like that in your neighborhood. But other than that, outdoor system is great. We use the outdoor system. We have an outdoor system we'll be taking out soon to grow our tomatoes, because tomatoes are really, it takes a lot of volume and space. And so what I'm thinking now is like this stuff is great indoors for your vegetables, your leafy greens, your salads, your herbs, your flowers, and such like that. And so basically what's going to happen is that if you get 2 systems, that's awesome. And with 2 systems, you can grow so much more, right? So this has 20 spots, and then this has 20 spots, so that you have 2, you'll be at 40 spots, and you'll be growing some great fruits and vegetables. And I think that's really important to remember. You guys are going to be growing fresh fruits and vegetables to save money on your grocery bills, right? Now, some people have asked before in the past too, just if you guys are new to this, what's happening is that this Tower Garden program is evolving, and they're developing some great products too to go along with it, like the germinator. So if you guys want to start seedlings, there's a germinator they also have that allows you to start seedlings. Okay, and so that's something. And these lights are really great too, because it conserves energy. It doesn't increase our electric bill too much. It's on for 8 hours a day, and it helps these plants grow. So all of that together makes this system very convenient and easy to use. You don't have to worry about weeds as well, because there's no weeds on this. And you don't have to worry about remembering to water it because there's a base of water here and a timer that pumps water up. Okay, so if you think you are a black thumb, I was too. Okay, I was a black thumb or two growing up. I didn't really get into gardening. My father did a lot of it, and it was just something that was fun for him, but not for me when growing up. But as I grew up and noticed the importance of healthy food, that you probably are as well. The healthy food comes from you growing it yourself, right? Obviously, who wants lettuce or who wants any vegetable or fruit that is already being spoiled, if you will, as you buy it? I know how many times have we bought sale items, and then like 2 days later, that the sale item, so you think it's saving money, but this sale item is being spoiled, right? So that does happen, and so we want to avoid that by growing your own fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, this is something that we've been doing since 2012, and since 2012 we've been doing some great tomato. We've been growing some great tomatoes. We've been growing some herbs. We've grown cucumbers. We've grown eggplant. We've grown peas, kale, Swiss chard, you name it. We love making soups with bok choy. So if you like bok choy, this is a great way to do that. But if you're into lettuces and stuff, just grow whole tower lettuces and go with that. Now, if you're entrepreneurial and you want to kind of use it as a money generator, you can grow fresh fruits and vegetables uh, and sell it to your local farmers market. Okay, and so you could do that if you are wanting to do that. Like I said earlier, if you are thinking of establishing a community garden in your city, you could perhaps get them to convince them that this is something that would be awesome to invest in for the community. You could take care of it. You can have other people in the community take care of it as well, and you can grow this, or the food bank, if you will, or fresh food, vegetables specifically for people who kind of like this stuff, right? So you can be really creative. I know other people in the U.S. And by the way, if you are outside of the U.S., you can also get one of these units as well. Okay, so just let me know if you have any questions. You may know someone who wants to get a unit and start a gardening program. And so I think this one on the market is probably one of the best. Okay, so anyhow, you can reach out to your friends and let them know that this program is available, and this is something that they can purchase to start a community program, or even just get one for your family. There is an installment program that allows you to purchase this monthly, so that you don't have to pay everything up front. Okay, once you go and explore how much these are, they're pretty fairly inexpensive for a system like this that will pay you back in good health and in good fresh food, right? And so consider that. Go into my link tree on my profile, click on Aeroponic Gardening. You'll go to the official webpage that allows you to see more about these towers. Okay, this is on a timer system, the light system, by the way, so everything is automatic. You set it and you basically forget it. I think that's really the best way to garden. If you're doing outdoor soil and you have to remember to water, you have to worry about weeds and stuff like that, you don't have to worry about any of that. Plus, some of you guys may be living in a area where there is no garden area to grow anything. Let's just say you don't even have a backyard. You're living in an apartment, you live, let's just say, in a townhouse, and they just don't have space for you to grow outdoor garden. Well, this is your chance to get something like this, or even a home system. Home system is a little smaller. You can grow up to 36 plants on the home, and then on the flex here, which is more sturdy a little bit, and a bigger tank of water, you can grow up to 20. And there are extendable columns that you can add to this system as well, so that you are giving, let's see here, up to, let's see, 8 more, so that's just 28. You can get 28 plants on this system, and so all of this adds up to growing more fresh fruits and vegetables for yourself, saving yourself money at the grocery store, eating healthier so that you are fueling your body. If you are into health and fitness, what a great way to get on a salad program, salad in a jar program, making salads every other day for lunch, for dinners, something like that that allows you to eat healthy. Every time you stop by or at least walk by this system, there's this constant reminder, it's a trigger for you to start eating healthier. So anything that you can help yourself to get start eating healthier and cleaner, and this is the system for you. Let me see here. So if you ever wondered about whether or not you could make this happen, like I said, I am a perfect example of someone who really didn't start off gardening. My parents did it. My father specifically did it more often, and he enjoyed it as he got older. And I'm not saying that young people can't do this or older people can only do this. I'm saying that anybody can do this. So anybody can actually make this happen. So green thumb, black thumb, whatever. This is the modern way to actually grow. And if you think about it, we need to step away from soil gardening only because I think our soil is depleted and it kind of can be a little frustrating when you're outdoors and you forget the water and they die because of scorching sun, right? It happens to everyone, okay? So this is a system that allows you to avoid all those issues, and it gives you a peace of mind that, hey, this is going to grow because I have the water in it and I have the sunlight outdoors if you're outdoors and the light if you're indoors. It allows you to grow, and this is something that I think you guys will really benefit from. And so I just wanted to quickly say that yes, it definitely works. There's my thumb. It definitely works. Number two, it has a way for you to earn extra income. If you really want to share this with others like I do and just let them know, hey, this is the way to start growing your fresh fruits and vegetables, not only for a period of time throughout the year, like let's just say May through August, but you can grow all year round because this doesn't stop pumping water, this doesn't stop turning the lights on. And so what a great way to save year round, okay, through a system like this. Again, go to my link tree in my profile, click on Aeroponic Gardening if you want to explore these towers, if you want to learn more about the earning income part, affiliate program part, go ahead and click on that. Just gives you a little bit more information. But I just want to say real quick here that you guys can make extra income through this program, through this company. If you guys get your own tower, grow one, and explore how it works, get used to it, and then now you can promote it and make some extra income doing it just like I am. And we can help each other. Wouldn't it be great to start a little community of growers that help each other and make extra income and doing what you love, which is growing, eating fresh food, and helping others. Okay, so just a quick summary. Yes, these are strawberries that are in here, and I am growing them. This is kind of just like week one so far of me transplanting them in from these little bulbs here that are, you can find them, let's see, the last time I checked, it was, where was I? Walmart, I think I saw some, Sam's Club, I think I saw some of these out there. And so go ahead and pick up some of those if you are wanting to grow your strawberries. This is the Quinault Everbearing strawberry. So they are going to be great once they start growing on here. Anyhow, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you for hanging in there and learning more about my tower and how it can benefit you and your family and your health. All right, so hope you guys are doing great, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.